This is exactly how I myself was able to fix YouTube can't connect right now error on my TCL TV. So firstly, what I had to do is to go to quick settings here and then click on all settings on my TCL TV here, as you can see. And then what I had to do on this page is to just scroll down and click on system and then click on date and time. Here you need to actually make sure that your automatic date and time is set to auto synchronization. Sometimes when it's set to off and your date and time is completely off right here, you have to set it to auto, because otherwise your Wi-Fi settings might be off. Just trust me, for some reason when it's completely off, it's gonna be really bad. So now after that, you can see there's a bunch of other settings here that are on this page, but we don't really have to do anything with those. Just click on apps now and then click on see all apps and show all apps here, and then we're gonna scroll down and try to find YouTube in here. So let's see, yep, here it is. Click on YouTube. And now what you need to do in here is to actually clear cache. So if you're able to clear cache, which I'm not, I just cleared cache to be fair, so I'm not able to do so, but you can see where it says clear cache. Make sure to do so, but if you're logged into your account, it might log you out. So be careful and make sure that you know your password, of course, for your YouTube account. And yeah, that is how I was able to actually fix it completely.